Hey everyone, I'm Jen Jacobsen of livelaughstamp.com. Thanks so much for joining me in my how-to series. Today I'm going to show you how to heat emboss. So we're going to do this image right here. Now notice that since we're doing it on black cardstock, you even could call this technique the chalkboard technique. So you're kind of getting a twofer in this how-to video right now. So let's get started. I've taken my black cardstock and I'm using the embossing buddy and rubbing that over the cardstock. That's going to help the embossing powder not stick where we don't want it to. Stamping my image. Now I am stamping a little bit high because I know I'm going to wrap some baker's twine along the bottom. I've used a craft ink. This is the white craft pad. You want to make sure when you're embossing you always use a craft ink or pigment ink. Versamark also works great for embossing. And now I've got my embossing powder and my powder tray, Powder Pal. And we're gonna just put that right in there and knock off all the extra. And now we've got our handy dandy heat tool. Let me tell you how snazzy this thing is. There is a level 1 setting for just drying your ink, and there's also a level 2 setting, and that is for heating and embossing. Now when I learned to heat emboss, my mom taught me over literally an open flame on a stove. And I thought embossing seemed like the craziest thing ever. Why would anyone ever want to do that? We would burn our fingers and even kind of burn our paper a little bit. And then lo and behold, as stamping grew and evolved, and lots of people love to do this, they came out with heat tools, which makes embossing so cool. It is such a neat technique because it makes your cards just kind of go from, you know, just kind of a plain image to kind of Shazam, wow, it solidifies and brightens and is kind of hardened. So now we have this really bright white on black because we've embossed. Here's the finished card. So cute. If you want to learn how to make that flower, I have a video tutorial on that. You can click and watch that. So thanks so much for watching on how to heat emboss. Come find me at livelaughstamp.com.